Good evening. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Welcome you all. Okay, good evening all. So today let us start combinations, the part 1. We have discussed actually concepts in the permutations and combinations only. We have discussed some concepts on combinations. Based on that concepts, today we shall discuss the problems. Then after that, tomorrow we shall have the more discussion on combinations and followed by the problems. So that we will do it. So once again, good morning all. Welcome to the classes, SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Okay, still joining. Okay. Right. Any new viewers are there? Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Okay. So now you need to watch the previous videos also. In the playlist, all the videos are available. The most of the syllabus has been completed regarding to the Eamcet point of view. So that will be very useful. So you can watch from first year chapters and second year chapters and vice versa. So those you are the new to our YouTube channel, you can watch the previous videos also. Just go through our channel, you can find the playlist. So whatever topic you feel difficult, okay, that you can watch through our YouTube videos. Right. Still 3 minutes time is there. So exactly 7:30 I will start the class. Okay, fine. Okay. Only maths. Okay. Tomorrow also maybe by evening 7:30 only class, because I have my some personal work at my home. Okay. You may be new, but you need to subscribe. Yes. Right. Now let us start the first problem. Today we discuss only the basic problems, and sometimes level 1, level 2, level 3 problems also we shall discuss during this session. Okay. The positive R, the positive small r, that is such that 15C3R equal to 15CR plus 3 is equal to first option 3, second option 4, third option 5, fourth option 2. So this is the question. Okay. Right. So that means if 15C3R equals to 15CR plus 3, the value of R we need to find out. So that means actually here see hint, you can check the hint. what is the hint means? NCR equals to NCS, then N equals to R plus S, otherwise R equals to S. This hint need to be used for this problem. Okay, let us make use of this one. Solution. Given 15C3R equals to 15CR plus 3. First let us apply this one now. Here N means 15 equals to 3R plus R plus 3. So now we get a linear equation in R. That means we get 4R plus 3 equals to 15. So it need to be solved. 4R equals to 15 minus 3, which is equals to 12. We need R. R equals to 12 over 4. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. Yes, 3 is the right answer. R equals to 3. So that means first option is the right option. Second question. N and R integers such that 1 less than or equal to R less than or equal to N. Then N times N minus 1 CR minus 1 equals to first option NCR, second option N times NCR, third option R times NCR, fourth one N minus 1 times NCR. This is the question. Okay, no problem. N and R integers such that R lies between 1 and N. That means R is the set of here natural numbers. N times N minus 1 CR minus 1 we need to find out. Okay, now let us consider this one. Solution. See, N times N minus 1 CR minus 1. See, here is the int we have. From definition of the NCR we need to remember. What is the NCR principle? N factorial upon N minus R factorial. Using this property, this can be written. So now N times N minus 1 factorial upon N minus 1 minus R minus of minus plus 1 here factorial. So this we get N times N minus 1 factorial upon this 1 gets cancelled, N minus R factorial. Here very interesting factor we have. Factorial has the shifting nature. N into N minus 1 factorial is nothing but N factorial. Now this is numerator is replaced by N factorial upon N minus R factorial. It is nothing but the definition of NCR only. So this equals to NCR. That means first option is the right option. All of you check here. Third problem. If NC3 equals to 10, then n equals to first option 6, second option 5, third option 4, fourth option 7. This is the question. NC3 equals to 10, then we need to find out n value. See here, hint you remember, this NC3 equals to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 upon, we can write 1 into 2 into 3. This is NC3 value. So now we can write a solution. Since given NC3 equals to 10, where NC3 is replaced by n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 upon 1 times 2 times 3 equals to 10. Cross multiplication takes place. Yes. Okay, previous case I did wrong. Exactly. So let me discuss. This is r factorial. Yes, r factorial. Yes, r factorial. So that means what we have here. Okay, this is absolutely correct. Right. This will be now equal to, right, absolutely correct, NPR. So that means one more condition, NPR equal to here r factorial into NCR. This is actually n minus 1, so n factorial by n minus r factorial is NPR. So the NCR equals to what? NPR by r factorial. So NPR is equal to r factorial into NCR. So that means here r factorial should be there. So third option is the right option. Exactly correct. Absolutely good observation. Right, now let us come to this problem now. N times n minus 1 times n minus 2 equals to, this we can write 5 times 2 again multiplied by this 2 times 3 into 1. This we can write okay, is NC3 equals to this is 60, right, 6, 3 into 2, 6, 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 60. Okay, this is 60. We can write 4. Okay, 2 into 3, 6. 1 minute. This when write 10 into 6 is 60. So now this 60 can be written as like this now. 3 into 20. Next 3 into 4 into 5. Yes, this we can write 5 times 4 times 3 we can write as a product of 3 consecutive numbers. So that means actually here see, the n must be equal to 5, or n minus 1 equals to 4, you get n is equal to 5 only. So that means therefore n equals to 5. So second option is the right option. Now fourth one. If NCR denotes the number of combinations number of combinations of n things taken are things at a time then the expression NCR plus 1 plus NCR minus 1 plus 2 times NCR equals to first option n plus 2 CR plus 1, second one n plus 1 CR, third one n plus 1 CR plus 1, fourth one n plus 2 CR. Okay, this is the actually the question, the fourth question. See, NCR denotes the number of combinations of n things taken or things at a time. It's a formula. Then we need to find out NCR plus 1 plus NCR minus 1 plus 2 times NCR equals 2. Okay, now let us go to the fourth solution. Here given expression is NCR plus 1 plus NCR minus 1 plus 2 times NCR. Let us split 2 NCR as NCR plus NCR. This can be written NCR plus 1 plus NCR is as one group plus NCR plus NCR minus 1. We have one wonderful formula already we have discussed. See, NCR plus NCR minus 1 equals to n plus 1 CR. 1 is added to n and this R need to be taken. So with the help of this formula, you check it now. What you can write here? This will be, and next these two. This nothing but n plus 1 CR we can write. This equal to n plus 1 CR plus 1. Am I correct? Plus this can be written n plus 1 CR. Again applying the same formula. For n plus 1 you need to add 1. R plus 1 you need to take. That is n plus 2 CR plus 1. N plus 2 CR plus 1. That means option 1 is the right option. Option 1 is the right option. Now you can check your solution now on the screen. Right. So let us move to the next problem. Fifth question. Fifth one. If 8C3 plus n plus 2C4 equal to 9C4, then n equals to first option is 6th, second option is 10, third option is 12, fourth option is 15. So now here this 9C4 equals to 8C3 plus n plus 2C4 is given. That means this 9C4 can be written like this. 9C4 can be written 8C3 plus 8C4 you can write it. So that means based on this formula, what is the formula? Here see, n plus 1 Cr equals to, here NCr minus 1 plus NCr. Understood now? So that means actually here see, the n plus 2 must be equal to 8. So that means here n plus 2 must be equal to 8. So n equals to 8 minus 2, whose value is 6. That means first option is the right option. Sixth question. Sixth problem. If C of 2n comma 3, this we can denote by this also, 2nC3 is to C of n comma 2 equal to 12:1. Then n equals to, first option 4, second option is 5, third option is 6, fourth option is 8. Fourth option is 8. Okay. So 2nC3 is to nC2 equals to 12:1. Then we need to find out the value of n. So that means solution here, 2nC3 is to nC2 equals to 12:1. So that means 2nC3 upon nC2 equals to 12/1. So we have the formula NCR equals to, here n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Am I correct? So otherwise we can write this formula also. Directly also we can write, no problem. This means nC3 equals to n times n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 3 factorial 6 we can write. So using this formula, this can be written, 2nC3 means 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2 upon 6. nC2 means n times n minus 1 upon 2 equal to 12. So this can be written here, 2n, from this one you can take 2 common. So we get like this, 4n times n minus 1 and 2n minus 1 upon 6 multiplied by 2 upon n times n minus 1, which is equal to 12. That means 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1 gets cancelled. We have now 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. Cross multiplication. 2n minus 1 equals to 9. Now 2n equals to 10. n equals to 5. This is the answer. N equals to 5. Not n equals to 4. You check it now. N is equal to 5. Option 2. Option 2 is the right option. Next, seventh question. Right, seventh question. If 15CR plus 3 equals to 15C2R minus 3. Then R is equal to first option 4R7, second option 5R6, third option 7R9, fourth option is 9R10. This is the question. 9R10. Fifteen CR plus 3 equal to 15C2R minus 3. Then R value we need to find out. That means one important formula we have. NCR equals to NCS. Then R equals to S or N equals to R plus S. Because we have the two values means we need to apply the two conditions. The two conditions need to be applied. So that means actually see the solution. Case 1. You consider case 1. What is the case 1? R equals to S. This condition you apply. That means R plus 3 is equated to 2R minus 3. That implies 2R minus R equals to transposing 3 plus 3. So R equals to 6. This is a one value. Here is there. Might be second option. Let us go to the case 2 now. Case 2. What is the case 2 here? N equals to R plus S. This condition need to be applied. Here N stands for this 15. So 15 equals to R plus 3 is added with 2R minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. We have here. Okay. Here we have 3R equal to 15. R equal to 5. This is also integer. So therefore hence R small r value equal to 5 or 6. Second option is the right option. So that means when you get the R value is the integer itself only, positive integer itself only, you need to accept it. Otherwise we need to ignore. We need to ignore it. So eighth one. Sigma NPR upon R factorial. Or take the values from 0 to N equals to first option 2 power N minus 1, second one 2 power N, third one is 2 power N plus 1, fourth one 2 to the power of N minus 1. This is the question. So this is the eighth question. See this expression value we need to find out. Write down given expression value. Given expression value is sigma, that means summation R is equal to 0 to 1 NPR upon R factorial. So we have the relation. What is the relation? Here see NPR upon R factorial is nothing but NCR. Instead of NCR, NPR by R factorial is given. So that means now instead of this one, this we can write sigma R is equal to 0 to NCR. Substituting the respective values, NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 and so on dash dash plus NCN. This already we know. This is nothing but sum of the coefficients of 1 plus x whole to the power of n expansion. So whose value is equal to 2 to the power of n. So that means second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. So now ninth problem. Ninth one. If NC12 equals to NC8, then NC17 equals to first option 1040, second option 1140, third option is 1240, fourth option is 1340. Okay, Shankar and Arana, go back and come. Am I visible to you all? Okay. NC12 equals to NC8. Then NC17 we need to find out. That means you remember the hint. NCR equals to NCS. Obviously here only one formula need to apply because 12 cannot be equal to 8. That's why N must be equal to R plus S. This case need to be applied here. So now the solution, as we are given with NC12 equals to NC8, using this formula N can be written 12 plus 8 whose value is 20. But we are asked NC17. NC17 means 20C17. And one more basic fact need to be recalled. That is NCR is equivalent to NCN minus R. So that means 17 is a very bigger number. So this can be written directly. It is equivalent to 20C, 20 minus 17, 20C3. That means 20 times, 19 times, 18 times by 3 factorial is 6. 6 1 ja, 6 3 ja. That means 20 times this will be 57. 19 3 ja 57. Am I correct? So 57 2 ja. 2 7 ja 14. 1 1 4 and 0 is there. So that means second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Okay. No, not 3010. Check it. Okay, thank you one and all. Thank you. Good, good. Good. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Now the 10th problem. If NPR equals to NPR plus 1, it's very interesting problems, combinations and also permutations. And NCR equals to NCR minus 1. Then N comma R. That means it's an order pair. We need to find out. First option 8 comma 9. Second option 6 comma 7. Third option is 4 comma 5. Fourth option is 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Right now. So only the few viewers are actually giving the feedback and the description, but better all of you need to participate in that one. Solution NPR equals to NPR plus 1. So can I write like this? NPR plus 1 upon NPR equals to 1. We have one shortcut. What is the formula? Means directly we get N minus R. This value is equal to n minus r is equal to 1. Say this is equation 1. In the similar manner, this can be written ncr upon ncr minus 1. This also we have one shortcut formula equal to 1. This implies we can write n minus r plus 1 upon r equals to 1. So n minus r plus 1 equal to r. Say equation 1 this is. See, as we know this n minus r is equal to 1. Let us replace n minus r is equal to 1. We get r value is equal to 1 plus 1, which value is 2. R is equal to 2. Now from 1 this equation, n minus 2 equals to 1, n equals to 3. Therefore n comma r is equal to 3 comma 2. Fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Right. So now the 11th question. Now 11th question we shall move. 3 comma 2. Okay. Eleventh question. If NPR equals to 720 and NCR equals to 120, then order pair, the value of the order pair n comma r equals to, first option 7 comma 4, second option 8 comma 4, third option is 8 comma 5, fourth option 10 comma 3. So that means here we need to establish relation between NPR and NCR. We know. Okay. So now NPR equals to 720, NCR equals to 120. So now the solution follows. We know that see, NPR is equal to, or NPR by R factorial equal to NCR. Am I correct? So here we can write R factorial is equal to NPR upon NCR. So NPR is 720 upon 120. 121 ja, 126 ja. This will be 6. So very interesting. This 6 is nothing but 3 factorial. Am I correct? R factorial is equal to 3 factorial implies R equals to 3. Obviously n comma r means fourth option will be the right option. But we need to find out n value also. So from NPR you can find out, from NCR also we can find out. Let us consider NCR. So NC3 equals to 120. This we can write n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 upon 6 into 120. 120 into 6. This we can write 12 into 10 into 6. This we can write 10 into, this is 4 into 3. This is 3 into 2 right down. This we can write 10 times 3 into 3, 9 times 4 into 2 is 8. So n value equal to 10. N equals to 10. So n comma r is equal to 10 comma 3. 10 comma 3. That's only you do it. Okay. Right. You take care of yourself. Thank you. Now the 12th one. Ratio of greatest values of 24 CR to 25 CR is first option 13:25, second option 12:25, third option 12:24, though it may be 1:2, equivalent ratio 11:25. So all of you be cool, don't discuss, leave it, let them go their own way. All of you leave it, try to concentrate on the lesson. Ratio of the greatest values of 24 CR and 25 CR. That means first what we need to do means, see, first the greatest value of 24 CR we need to find out. You see, greatest value of 24 CR. That means it attains greatest value. It attains greatest value at R is equal to, because here n is 24, even number, n by 2, that means 24 by 2, 12. That means greatest value is equal to 24C12. You leave it now. Let us concentrate on this one. Okay. Greatest value of 25 CR. 25 CR means 25 is the odd number. That means it attains, say, greatest or maximum at R equals to n minus 1 by 2, because n is odd. That is also you get 12. So this value is 25C12. Now the ratio between these two we need to find out. Okay, right. So now what we need to do now? Ratio between 24C12 is to 25C12 we need to find out. This is 24 factorial upon 24 minus 12 is 12 factorial into 12 factorial is to, this will be 25 factorial upon 25 minus 12 is 13 factorial into 12 factorial. This 12 factorial gets cancelled. We have so now 24 factorial upon 12 factorial is to 25 factorial is shifting nature, 25 multiplied by 24 factorial. Even 13 factorial can be written as 13 times 12 factorial. Here see 24 factorial, 12 factorial, both will be cancelled. Here we have 1. This is 1 is to 25 by 13. Generally the ratio we will express as the two terms are actually positive integers. Multiply with 13 now. You get this is 13 times 25 is our desired answer. Is our desired answer. So Kushila Chandini, please don't disturb others. Actually, it disturbs. Please be cool. Don't disturb others. Okay, please concentrate on the lesson. Okay, now let us move to the 13th question. 13th question. Right. The value of 50C4 plus sigma r is equal to 1 to 6, 56 minus r, C3 equals to. Okay, Kantarao, I will actually invite you to my classes. Actually, you teach the students. Definitely. Okay. If it is actually you think like that, please go back. Please make a move. Okay. (55C4) second 55C3, third option 56C3, fourth option 56C4. So right, the value of 50C4 plus sigma r is equal to 1 to 6, 56 minus r, C3 equals to. This is very important problem. This is very important problem. Very important problem. Okay. Leave it. So generally such kind of people are existing in our universe. We cannot do anything. The God is there, is the great person. Very good. NCR plus NCR minus 1, N plus 1 CR. Wonderful. Correct. Right. Though it is in IPE, but it's very important problem for Eamcet point of view. So please do remember, this question is very important. Right. So let us solve it now. Solution. This is given expression, we can write 50C4 plus, first substitute 1, you get 55C3 plus, next substitute 2, 54C3, next substitute 3, 53C3, next substitute like that you will be getting up to 50, 52C3 plus 51C3, this is 50C3. Okay, reverse order write down. So that means actually you see 50C4 plus 50C3. 50C4 plus 50C3 is nothing but, we can write this as 51C4. Am I correct? Now plus 55C3 plus 54C3 plus 53C3 plus 52C3 plus 51C3. Now you take this combination 51C4 and 51C3. This equal to 52C4 plus 55C3 plus 54C3 plus 53C3 plus 52C3. Okay, now you take it these two. So this can be written 53C4 plus 55C3 plus 54C3 plus 53C3. Now again you need to take these two. So this can be written 54C4 plus 55C3 plus 54C3. Next we need to add these two. This is equal to 55C4 plus 55C3. This is nothing but 56C4. This answer 56C4. Yes, if R is equal to 0, that is 57C4. R is equal to 0, 57C4. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Okay, I will tell you one shortcut. You remember, all of you, what is the shortcut means? Here, shortcut. Whenever R is equal to 1 is there, here 56 you take it, add 1 to this one. That means you get answer is equal to 56C4. That's all answer. 56C4. For example, 0 is there here, 0 is there, add 1 to 56. Then you get 57C4 if 0 is there. So now we have 1. So you remember this shortcut. Right. Understood now? I explained the process as well as the shortcut method also. This is the process, original process. Okay, now 14th question. Right. Fourteenth one. 47C4 plus sigma j equals to 1 to 5, 52 minus j, C3 equals to, first option 52C4, second option 51C4, third option is 52C3, fourth option is 51C3. Right, what is the answer? What is the answer? See now the solution. Given expression equals to 47C4 sigma j is equal to 1 to 5, 52 minus j, C3. What we need to do? For this one, add plus 1. Here, just put j for 0. So now this equals to, what do you get now? 52C4. This is the answer. So first option. First option. Suppose question is like this. 47C4 plus sigma j is equal to 0 to 5, 52 minus j C3. Then what we need to do means add 1 to this one plus 1, add for 52 also plus 1. So this is equal to, you get 53 C4. This answer is 52 C4. Right. Okay, 15th question. 15th question. 15th question. If n minus 1 C3 plus n minus 1 C4 greater than n C3, then first option n greater than 5, second n greater than 6, third n greater than 7, fourth n greater than 8. This is the question. That means inequality on the combinations. Yes, absolutely correct. Pramila, Suma, Narendra, Pushpa, Balu. Okay, Balu already did. Abhireddy. Right. N minus 1 C3 plus n minus 1 C4 greater than n C3. So we have this formula. N plus 1 CR equals to NCR plus NCR minus 1. That will be n plus 1 CR. Am I correct now? Using this formula, now left hand side can be written as like this. N minus 1 plus 1. N CR. R means actually we need to write here R value is 4. Understood now? So NC4 greater than NC3. This we can write NC4 upon NC3 is greater than 1. And we have one more interesting factor, NCR by NCN minus R. Sorry. NCR minus 1. Okay. NCR minus 1 equals to N minus of R minus 1 upon R. Using this shortcut, this can be written N minus 3 upon 4 greater than 1. So N minus 3 greater than 4. N greater than 4 plus 3. Therefore, N is greater than 7. So option 3 is the right option. Absolutely correct. Sixteenth problem. Okay. If NC4, NC5, NC6 are in arithmetic progression, then the value of n equals to first option 11, second option is 17, third option is 8, fourth option is 7 or 14. This is the question. Okay. Second question. Okay, I will discuss you later. Tomorrow I will discuss. Leave it now. Right. NC4, NC5, NC6 are in arithmetic progression, then we need to find out n value. Here we have one shortcut. If NCR minus 1, NCR plus 1 are in arithmetic progression, then n minus 2r whole square equals to n plus 2. This condition we need to apply. Okay, just concentrate on the middle term, NC5, NCR. That means here R value equals to 5. Substitute in this one. We get n minus 10 whole square equals to n plus 2. This is n square minus 20n plus 100. Am I correct? Equal to n plus 2. So n square minus 21n plus 98 equals to 0. Now we need to solve this quadratic equation. Okay, now n square minus 21n plus 98 equals to 0. 14 7 ja. So this can be written minus 14 times minus 7. We can split the middle term as n square minus 14n minus 7n plus 98 equals to 0. So n common n minus 14 minus 7 common n minus 14 equals to 0. So n minus 14 times n minus 7 equals to 0. Therefore n equals to 7 or 14. That means fourth option is the right option. So most of the cases actually tomorrow the class may not be there actually. Here, okay, evening hours only I will take the class. Seventeenth question. If NCR minus 1 equals to 36, NCR equals to 84, NCR plus 1 equals to 126, then the value of R is first option 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option 4. Right. See, NCR minus 1 is equal to 36, NCR is equal to 84, NCR plus 1 is equal to 126. See, now let us do like this. NCR upon NCR minus 1 write down. We have the shortcut formula for this one. 84 upon 36. So now 218 ja, 242 ja, 221, 29, 37 ja, 33 ja. This will be 7 upon 3. But this can be written n minus r plus 1 upon r equals to 7 by 3. Cross multiplication takes place. 3n minus 3r plus 3 equals to 7r. So this can be written 3n minus 3r, sorry 10r equals to 3n minus 10r equals to minus 3. Say equation 1. Now this one by this one write down. NCr plus 1 upon NCr equal to 126 upon 84. 126 upon 84. So 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 7 9 ja, 7 9 ja, 7 6 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 2 ja. So 3 upon 2. This we can write n minus r upon r plus 1. 3 upon 2. By cross multiplication, 2n minus 2r equal to 3r plus 3. This is 2n minus 5r equal to, we have 3, equation 2. Solving 1 and 2, we will get the answer. Solving 1 and 2, we will get the answer. Right? So now let us solve here itself only. 3n minus 10r equal to minus 3. We need r value only. 2n minus 5r equal to 3. Let us eliminate n. Multiply with 2, multiply with 3. That means we get like this now. We get like this. 6n minus 20r equal to minus 6. 6n minus 15r equal to 9. Subtract. Minus, this changes to plus, minus. This cancel, we have actually here see minus 5r equals to minus 15. Obviously r equals to 3. So third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Okay, thank you one and all. Bye. See you. Actually only few members are giving the feedback. What about others? Others need to give it. So today I will check after completion of this session. Thank you one and all. Bye bye. See you. Have a nice day. And next, tomorrow by evening only we have the classes. Okay, right. Thank you.